channel. Today I'm gonna be eating fruits. I'm with my little brother over here and I'm with my big brother over here. Come on.
What's up, guys?
Okay, now we are going to eat fruits and it's supposed to be an ASMR channel. ASMR thing. No. And we are going to eat fruits. So look what I got.
We got some strawberries, banana, and some mango.
Let's get started.
And I got my candy.
Let's start eating.
Wait, don't start it yet.
No, don't start yet. Go get your water too. Go get your strawberries, water, and
I want my strawberries.
Right.
And guys, don't forget to go check out my channel. You know what? I'll leave that for the end of the video. Okay, so
Now start.
come on. So some mango. I love mangoes.
Now start now.
Eat some fruits, Mason. Put your water on top of there.
Oh. I want strawberries.
You take some.
And I want to take that. Ew. Oh,
Hold on.
Don't eat it.
I want to eat that. I want bananas. No strawberries.
Get up.
Mason here. Regular ones. Skyline, don't eat these. These are raisins. Yeah. Don't eat all the No, what the hell? Damn strawberries. We got some chocolate and some strawberry.
Well, I want
and
to
there's
say chocolate.
syrup on it.
I want to say chocolate. What's a little chocolate piece?
You guys gotta make the sound and like.
Ew, I should have turned to chocolate. Ew. Turn to chocolate.
I'm about to be 11.
Right.
I'm about to be 11 on Friday. So you got a problem with that woman?
No,
I'm about to be 11 on
I'm
Friday.
still gonna be bigger than you. I mean, older than you.
I know. By a couple of like, gonna be older than me by like 2 months.
What is rainbow?
You can speak loud.
No, those are amazing regular strawberries.
I'm there.
No, what the hell? He doesn't eat chocolate.
I don't care. Yeah, nobody told me to be in it. Only.
Just eat some mango, okay?
You don't like mango. Mango?
Listen, move your big head.
Hey, stop. Stop.
Put some of that on.
Move it. Move it. Will you get some more pineapple? I don't want to eat them or bake them.
No, it's because the way we cut them.